Hey everyone! Ever shared a Google Drive file but didn't want others to see your name as the owner? In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to hide your name in Google Drive completely and easily, even in 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and find the file or folder you want to share. Right-click on it, then choose Share from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear. Under General Access, click the drop-down and select anyone with the link. Once that's done, click on Copy Link. Now open any tab or chat where you want to share the file. Paste the link, but here's the trick. Look closely at the link you just pasted. Remove everything after the last slash, and instead of your file ID showing your name, you can type any custom text you want. For example, replace the random string after the slash with a short word or code. This hides your ownership details while keeping the file accessible to others. Once you're done, hit enter or send the link. Now, when someone opens it, they'll see the shared file without any trace of your name as the owner. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your name in Google Drive. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.